Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Paystack to Shopify. This integration allows you to accept payments directly through Paystack on your Shopify store, giving you more flexibility with payment processing and access to Paystack's features for managing transactions. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open up the settings area where you can configure various aspects of your Shopify store, from general settings to payment options. Once you're in the settings section, focus on the left sidebar again. Here you'll see different categories of settings. Click on Payments. This is where you'll manage all payment methods available for your store, including credit cards, digital wallets, and third-party payment providers like Paystack. In the Payments section, you'll notice an area labeled Supported Payment Methods. This is where all your active payment methods are listed. To add a new one, click on Add Payment Method. This button allows you to explore and integrate additional payment options that Shopify supports. You'll now see various payment options available. To find Paystack specifically, click on More Views. This expands your search options beyond the most commonly used providers. Then click on Search by Provider. This feature lets you search for specific payment gateways by name, making it much easier to locate exactly what you need. In the search bar that appears, type Paystack. Once the results show up, click on Paystack from the list. You'll see details about the Paystack integration along with an Install button. Go ahead and click Install to begin the integration process. After clicking Install, Shopify will redirect you to a new tab. This is part of the authorization process to ensure the connection between your Shopify store and Paystack is secure. On this new page, you'll need to click Install again to confirm that you want to proceed with the installation. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. This process shouldn't take long, but it's important to let it finish completely before moving forward. Don't close the tab or navigate away during this time. Once the installation is complete, it's time to configure your Paystack settings. Open your Paystack dashboard in a new tab or window. In your dashboard, you'll need to locate and copy both your test key and your live key. The test key is used for testing transactions without real money, while the live key is for actual customer payments. Copy these keys carefully and paste them into the corresponding fields in your Shopify Paystack settings. After you've entered both keys, click Update. This finalizes the connection between Paystack and your Shopify store. Your Paystack payment gateway is now successfully connected and ready to process payments from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.